Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, Nigeria is a very wealthy country. I have always said this. On the global index, Nigeria is number 30. So Nigeria is a very wealthy country, and that number 30 that we reflect on the global wealth chart is not even doing justice to the actual wealth that the Nigerian state has. The reason why Nigeria is wealthy is because there's a lot of precious mineral and material deposited under its grounds, and the reason for this is the confluence of the river Niger. So over thousands of years, that river Niger, because of the way it converges into the Nigerian space, has deposited a lot of minerals within the Nigerian space. Guys, I bring you this. President Buhari receives gold bars and precious stones mined in Zamfara from Governor Matawalle. So it's more a lot of photographs than any narrative. The photographs are really the story of this video, and what photographs they are. You see, the gold in Zamfara is more than the gold. The gold and the precious stones in Zamfara state is more than the gold and the precious stones in South Africa. And if you bear in mind that South Africa, the entirety of that country was built on two things, gold and precious stone, and we have more of it in Zamfara state than they do in South Africa. Now the gold in the southwestern parts, especially Elisha and some parts of Oyo State, is more than the gold in Ghana. And if you think that Ghana actually used to be called the Gold Coast, then you will see the wealth that is in that region. So we're not even talking about the oil yet, or the iron and steel in Ajaokuta, etc., or the limestones. Nigeria is a vastly wealthy country. So let's just read the caption to this. Governor Bello Matawalle on Monday, August the 24th, presented gold bars and precious stones mined from Zamfara state, which he governs, to President Buhari. Governor Matawalle was accompanied by Alhaji Bashir Hadijia during the presentation at the presidential villa last night. President Buhari's personal assistant on broadcast media, Bashiru Salawu, wrote as he shared the photos. President Buhari last night at his residence, the State House, Abuja, received Governor of Zamfara State, Dr. Bello Mohammed Matawalle, accompanied by Alhaji Bashiru Hadijia. Governor Matawalle was at the State House to present some gold bars and other precious stones mined in his state. So as you can see already, you can already see the goodies on your screen, so I don't really need to give you too much of a narration. But who now does that presentation belong to? It's the next question, because we're looking at what, 10, almost 20 million dollars sitting on that table right there. So he has come to present it to Buhari, but of course Buhari is sitting in that seat as the president of Nigeria. So it is not a personal gift, and it is not the property of the governor of Zamfara state to give away. So is it now a case of Olegbale? Is this, I mean, because I don't know quite what is going on there, but these things are being presented, and they should be locked in that state house and then moved immediately to the central bank for depositing. This is what should happen, but then of course it is Nigeria, and we know that things run differently there. Conversations in the comment section. How wealthy exactly do you think Nigeria is? Because I don't think people really have a full appreciation of just how wealthy that country is. The Chinese certainly do, because you cannot pick up a newspaper these days without some Chinese being caught in some forest somewhere digging for gold and cutting away gems and whatnot, because they know where the deposit is, because they have the geology. But then of course we are too busy sleeping in our mud huts and drinking palm wine. Come share thoughts, but before you do that, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Click on like as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done the clickings, come tell me then how wealthy you think the Nigerian state is. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.